Ditch the keys, lock like a boss. Kwikset SmartCode 955. High traffic, high security, zero hassle. Say goodbye to fumbling for keys and hello to next level security with the Kwikset SmartCode 955. Designed for high traffic areas, this heavy duty electronic keypad lock takes security seriously. 500,000 tested cycles of durability mean it won't quit when the going gets tough. Whether for businesses, rental properties, or your home, it adapts with 3 modes: auto lock, passage, and secure mode, giving you control like never before. And with a 3-year battery life, you won't be replacing batteries every few months. Just set it, forget it, and enjoy total peace of mind. The Kwikset SmartCode 955 isn't just about keeping doors closed, it's about keeping intruders out. Grade 2 BHMA certification ensures 2.5x stronger security than standard locks, while the auto-lock mode ensures your door is never accidentally left unlocked. Forgot to lock up? No worries, this lock doesn't forget. And if anyone tries to guess your code, the intrusion alarm kicks in after 3 failed attempts, shutting down the keypad and sending them running. No more worrying about security, you're covered 24/7. Create up to 30 unique user codes for family, employees, or visitors, plus a one-time code for service professionals, perfect for Airbnb hosts, businesses, and busy households. Need to switch from private to public access? Easily toggle between auto lock and passage mode with a simple turn of the lever. And for property managers, the disable passage mode ensures doors stay locked every single time, ideal for public restrooms, storage closets, and secure areas. No more lost keys, rekeying headaches, or unauthorized access. Forget flimsy locks that rust, jam, or fail when you need them most. The SmartCode 955 is crafted with industrial-grade metal, a weather-resistant matte black finish, and smart key security, making it nearly pick-proof and bump-proof. It's made for commercial-grade use, but it's just as perfect for your home's garage, side doors, and storage sheds. And with easy battery replacement, 9-volt battery included, you're looking at years of reliable use without hassle. Think of the Kwikset SmartCode 955 as an investment in security and convenience. It saves you money on lock replacements, cuts down rekeying costs, and eliminates the frustration of lost or copied keys. It's durable, reliable, and so simple to install. No drilling, no wiring, just pure convenience. When you want the ultimate combination of security, flexibility, and tech-smart design, why settle for anything less? Upgrade your security game today.